Today I'm going to show you behind the scenes how I use TubeBuddy to save so much time in replying to my comments. I get hundreds of comments a day, and I've started using canned responses in TubeBuddy to save time because I get asked the same questions all the time or just want to have a simple thank you for watching canned response. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. First is go to TubeBuddy. If you don't have TubeBuddy, I do have a free trial for you guys in the description box down below, so definitely check that out. It is an amazing tool. It helps with SEO, it helps with saving time and canned responses. So we're going to go to TubeBuddy and go home. Then you're going to go to this little button right here that says canned responses. These are the ones that I already have, and then I'm going to do add canned response. Then I'm going to title this Dave Ramsey video because I have a video that has pretty much gone viral and I get the same questions all the time, and because of that I actually made a follow-up video. So now I want to direct people to that follow-up video because of all of the feedback that I've gotten from the original. So then we have our canned response here. Here is my canned response that I want to have. Have you watched my follow-up with the pros and cons of Dave Ramsey? Dig deeper into what I said. Here's a link, blah, blah, blah. All right, then we're going to go to save. So now what I'm going to do is just refresh this. Then I'm going to go to the comment section and refresh my account. Then let me see, here's one that I want to do the canned response in. So here I'm going to click on this little TubeBuddy icon, then scroll down and do Dave Ramsey video, and then here it is. So here is the canned response. So rather than having to type this out or copy and paste on every single one, I can just simply click it. And sometimes I get these annoying comments that just say you're yummy. So I'm just have one that is just a thank you for your feedback. No, I don't want to do that one. I want to do this one. Just thank you for watching. Just, I don't want to entertain them. And so I use these all the time in my comment section. They truly save so much time and they have been a game changer at my productivity. So definitely check out TubeBuddy if you don't have it. Like I said, I do have a free trial down below in the description box. And I do have a whole playlist on other TubeBuddy tutorials. Let me know down below in the comments, what other TubeBuddy videos do you want to see? What other entrepreneur tutorials do you want to see? I'm always looking for new video ideas, so check it out down below, and I'll see you in the next video.